Hello, this is Andrew. I'm back. We're going to start looking more deeply into binary numbers. Okay, now we're going to convert from decimal to binary. It's a little bit harder, and we were just looking at 4 bits, but now we got to look at 8 bits because 8 bits is what the computer system actually uses. So we're going to have to use that for addressing. Okay, so we had before the 1, 2, 4, and 8. Well, now all we're doing is adding 4 more bits, and it's the same thing. It's just times 2. This is the 1's placeholder. Times 2 is 2. Times 2 is 4. Times 2 is 8. Now we just go 8 times 2 is 16, 32, 64, 128. Got it? So this, for example, if I had a bit right in this location here and all the rest were 0, then the number would be 64. Okay. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look at, let's go ahead and take a look at this number 54. And we want to convert that to a binary number. Now the way to do that is, does 128 go into 54? No. Does 64 go into 54? No. Does 32 go into 54? Yes. So put down 1 time and what's left over. 54 minus 32 is 22. Bring your 22 down here and do it again. All right, so 22, does 32 go into 22? No. Does 16 go into 22? Yes. So you put 16 into 22, you put 1 down here, and there's 6 left over. So right now we have, this number is 32 plus 16, which is 48. That's not 54, so we're not done. All right, so we bring the 6 down here, and on the 6, does 8 go into 6? No. Does 4 go into 6? Yes. Put down 1 time. Minus 4, it gives you 2. So you got 2 left over. Bring your 2 down here. Your 2 minus 2 equals 0. So you put a 2, right? Does 4 go into 2? No. Does 2 go into 2? Yes. 1 time with 0 left over. So you keep going until you get the 0. So then just check, okay? Just check. What did we do? 32 16's 48 plus 2 is let's see, 32 plus 16 is 48, plus 4 is 52, plus 2 is 54. There we go. So it's 32, and it's good to memorize these. If you can't add real fast in your head, just memorize them. 32 plus 16 is 48. You should be able to do that. What's 64 plus 32 is 96. Any of these you can memorize or just immediately count off the batter. Okay, you get the idea. So anyway, let's do another. What's 172? Does 128 go into 172? Yes. How much is left over? 44. So bring your 44 down. Does 64 go into 44? No. Does 32 go into 44? Yes. Minus 32, how much is left over? 12. So we need to get rid of this 12. All right, does 16 go into 12? No. Does 8 go into 12? Yes. 1 time, bring your 1 down. 12 minus 8 gives you 4. Bring the 4 down here. 4 minus 4, that's this one, is 0. So now just add them up. What's 128 plus 32? 160. 176. Well, we don't have that. 160. 168. And you can even do it like this. You can go 168, but 168 and then 4. So that's 172. So you can see the quicker you can add these, the quicker you can do it. And the good thing is there's really not that many combinations. So even if you can't add quickly, you can memorize them. There's a lot of memorization in this stuff. Okay, so you can just keep doing that process, and you can practice any way you want. Just start picking numbers and practicing. What you can do is download a binary calculator. This will actually do it both ways. There's tons of these. You don't have to get this particular one. I mean, there's millions of them online. Just go to Google, search binary to decimal converter, calculator, whatever. And you just type in the decimal number and say convert to binary, or you just say binary and convert to decimal. So you'd go through the process I did before, and you would convert one, and then you would come and check it with this calculator and make sure you're right. And just do that until you're really comfortable with it, because working with these binary numbers is kind of the foundation of getting into all this. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video. I'm just gonna stop this video and we'll come in back to class full addresses on the next video. All right, thanks.